Welcome to Trident Communication. Another show, another success story. I, Mansi, would like to introduce our guest for today, Indrajit Ghosh. Mr. Indrajit Ghosh, Chairman, MSME Chamber of Commerce and Industry of India. So, very warm welcome on our show Success Stories. I've been reading a lot about you and hearing you also on YouTube. Being from such a business background, so what is your, how has been your journey so far? And can you tell me how did you reach this, where you are today?
I've started my life, at 1986 with 750 rupees salary and plus, parks in 1986. When I left the job in 2011 as a vice president global business, there will be tremendous change of, because after 90s, a lot of changes in the industry also. So I have worked, wherever I have worked with Syntex Industries Limited for 10 years and 14 years in as a vice president global business in Uflex Limited. In Uflex, I was a general manager. Then I shifted to Dubai, Flex Middle East FZE. There I was in the vice president post. So I've traveled, more than 40 countries across the globe. But starting from my life, initial life from 86 onwards, I put, a lot of efforts and सिर्फ efforts देने से ही नहीं होता, basically if you have the passion to work, then whatever you will work, you will enjoy the work. So that's I was enjoyed whenever I was working, and after coming back from the office also, I sit at least 1 or 2 hours time in the night to recapitulate everything and next day's program and like that. So if you have the passion and if you have a hard working with honesty, you will definitely succeed, because whatever human being, I mean, whatever people came across in a higher position today, they all are passionate about their job, about his job. So 86 to 2020 is a very big time, 34 years. I started as a executive sales executive in Syntex Industries Limited in 86, and at that point of time, I was an agreement with the company. I came to Delhi for 1 year for my wife's masters, and after 1 year, when the masters will be open, then we'll go back to Calcutta. So they said, yes, no problem, you can join. After 1 year, we'll ship you to Calcutta. So after that, 3 times I got the opportunity to go back to Calcutta during 88 and 98. But the working situation as such in Calcutta at that point of time, a lot of companies are closing, they're shifting from Calcutta because of the political problem. And vice versa, here in Delhi, there, Faridabad, Sonipat, Gurgaon, Panipat, all these areas, even in Rajasthan also, lots of large industries are coming up, and enormous opportunity for work. And even in the education sector also, suppose night education or in abroad, if you want to do any education, there was a lot of facilities was in Delhi, which was not available in Calcutta at that time. So I thought to stay back, and today I think I have taken a right decision. And wherever I have worked, I am still connected with them, whether it is school, college, or working place, having a good rapport with them. Until today, we are chatting in the WhatsApp group, and because of the huge contact, you will get a lot of advantages also. If you want to do some manpower, if you want to require some job, you can get it done very fast if you have a contact. Networking is there. I am very much well connected with the entire globe in plastics and packaging, renewable energy, biogas, then environment, and climate change, pollution control, smart cities, water conservation, recycling, plastic recycling, metal recycling, and waste management, then Clean India, Green India, Make in India initiative. All these places, we are, working, and our chamber is also felicitate to all the MSME industries.
So, who has been your like the biggest support and the inspiration in your journey?
You yourself is a support. You have to be, yourself on the support to achieve everything. But yes, my wife initially, till today, she has helped me a lot, to be focused in the right direction. Definitely, she has done a lot of things for me during this journey.
जी 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 सर जब अभी सब पूरी दुनिया में प्लास्टिक के अगेंस्ट इतना हंगामा हो रहा था कि we should not use plastic, did it impact your business in any way? I'm sure it must have. And how did you deal with it? Did you?
Not at all, because uh, when 2nd October Prime Minister was going to announce single-use plastic ban, I am also in the committee of single-use plastic ban. So our chamber, FICCI, PhD association, uh, everybody was approached to the government. If you will close down the single-use plastic into 2019, then 4 to 5% people will be jobless, and the people in the smaller industries who have bought their machines from financing from the bank or any financial institution, they cannot repay the money, and whatever material they have sold out in credit to the market, they will not get back that money when the company is closed. So it was discussed, came from the government, what to do. Then we all say in the same language, you should give 3 years time to for the industries and the people. Suppose you are going to ban into 2022, so they will get 3 years time to reshuffle their business from plastic to somewhere else or in other products. They can sell out the machines. Even the manpower also continuously working up to 22. Then whatever the new product will come, they can join there also. So at last they understood and did the same thing on 2019, so 2nd of October. So single-use plastic is concerned, is a very lot of controversy is there in different countries. Different products are single-use plastic. So
Okay.
in our country, single-use plastic, if you will ban, बहुत बड़ा फर्क नहीं आएगा, because उसके बिना पहले चल रहा था, like cutlery, plates, then plate cover, glass, all these items, and previously also not was in plastic. So we will not face any very big problem. But for the plastic industry is concerned, if you will see in the entire world is looking for an alternative for the last 25 years. But till today, no alternative has been found out. So what they did, whatever the plastics are producing, it has to be reprocessed, recycling, reused, so that 65% can be recycled and 35% can be used in the concrete, with the concrete in the road. In road, Government of India has given publicity to Dr. Rajgopalan Vasudevan. He is our also board member for this plastic road. He is a plastic man of India. People call him. And in Tamil Nadu and in Kerala, almost 10,000 areas they have made plastic roads for the last 8 years, which is running. And he has given the guarantee for 15 years. Nothing will happen. With the 50 plus temperature or minus 5 temperature, also the road will not be affected. So government, we are also in the on the process with the ministry to use 35% of plastic in roads in North India, also in East India, also in other places. So the Government of India has agreed to start with Delhi and Haryana very soon, but due to this lockdown problem, it was deferred. Maybe it will start again from December onwards, December, January onwards, and we will, in North India also certain places, the plastic roads will be made with the concrete.
Wow, that's nice. जी, सर अभी कोविड सिचुएशन में businesses
plastic industry, if you will see, in India is having 285 lakh crores in the plastic industry, and every year it is increasing by 7 to 8%. Such a big industry, if you want to achieve 5 trillion economy or make MSME industries to be grow, so then you have to without there are two industries only can reach you in 5 trillion economy. One is plastics and the another is agriculture. These are the two major industries. Other industries also supporting, but these are the two major sector, which can help you. Enormous work can be done, in this industry.
जी जी सर, अभी कोविड सिचुएशन में बिजनेसेस कैसे कोप अप कर रहे हैं?
देखिए, कोविड सिचुएशन में it was affected huge way in the bigger industry, in the smaller industry, except the processing industry or packaging industry. They are running. They haven't stopped a single day. Their factory they have run all 5 months. But the problem is, when the customer is not there, export is closed. So naturally, we have to sell out. So they have produced the material. They have the order. The transportation was not there in first 2 months. Then the transportation starts. Then the material started delivering. Now export is closed till now. Whatever export orders also people are having, they will start dispatching the material to the port after getting the lockdown is over. Every places. And in COVID, particularly major heated industry is the MSMEs, because MSME, if you have to understand one thing, any industry or every industry is coming with under MSME when they start, because when 80 to 90% of industries in India starting in a smaller manner, 2 crore, 3 crore, 5 crore, 10 crore, investment they are starting. Then variously, with a period of 4-5 years, they grown up, take larger loans also for expansion, and धीरे-धीरे they will small and middle से bigger industry में जाता है. जो bigger industry India में आता है, that is only 10%. Like 10,000 people will be working in Patanjali, or 10,000 people will be working in a.
सर, ये जो migrant labor movement हुआ इतना, तो अभी क्या situation है? Are they all coming back to work, or
no,
how are you dealing with this?
They are not coming back because they understood during this lockdown they don't have anybody to support them, because the day lockdown was implemented, they are thrown out from their house. Either give me money or you go out. The company has thrown out there within a single day. Tomorrow onward the factory is closed, so you have no job here. So they understood this time, during this pandemic, ultimately for us, nobody is there. So they are all grouping and, making the state government, their own state government, to create jobs for them, and they don't want to leave the states. It's not like that, 100% is like that, but there is 30-40% people are already gone back and going back. But another 60% people, they don't want to leave the states.
So now, sir, will you be all coming up with some strict labor laws or some more about thinking about them, protecting them, such things?
Government of India and states are also, state ministry also working out for a different working model, so that these people should not leave the place. Actually, what we have to understand one problem in India. Suppose in a year 90,000 doctors are coming, certain percentage of engineering people are coming, whether it is private or government. Then others, for management students, business schools, and other people, whatever education in agriculture, any subjects, when they are coming out, or in a commerce, finance. So when they are coming out, do we have the job for them according to the education? No, because today, if you will see in a company, MCOM pass person is a telephone operator, because they don't have job according to the education. We have to do that structural change. How much people are coming up, because आप एक चीज देखिए, आप पैसा खर्चा कर रहे हैं, आप गवर्नमेंट की पैसा भी खर्चा करा रहे हैं, बट जो टॉप ब्रास, जो टॉप लेवल IIT IIM जो है, वो आपके देश में रहते नहीं है. वो आपके देश में पढ़ाई करता है, सारा एडवांटेज भी लेता है, सब कुछ करते हैं, बट दे immediately go abroad because they are getting good salaries. Number one, number two, the working atmosphere is totally different. whatever we are working and they are working, it is a gap of 15, 20 years. So the smart people and whoever wants to grow for not only for money, because job opportunities, working opportunities is much high, higher than India. So people leaving the country, cream people and other people are staying here down the line. So you have to make a organizational structure. This much people will be coming in the next year 2021. So do we have job for them, or how to create job for them, for as per their education? It has to be done, because otherwise it's crisscross. Nobody will get a interest also to work. Somebody is BA pass, he's in a ministry, and आज के दिन में आपके सबसे बड़ा प्रॉब्लम क्या है? जो मिनिस्ट्री आपके पास है, जो मिनिस्टर आपके पास है, they are not from the same subject. Like HRD minister is there, or in industry ministry they are not came from industry or background, or finance, HR background. तो प्रॉब्लम क्या होता है कि उन सेक्टर में आपको कोई भी काम अगर कराना पड़ता है, तो you have to wait for 2-3 years to convince the ministers and bureaucrats that this is better. If you will do this, then you will move forward fast. So to convince a minister or bureaucrats is not an easy job, and everything costs money. If you are doing any expansion in any department, it costs money, because it should be in the center, it should be in the states. So all these problems are there, but we have to be, constructive ideas should become, and we work on constructively. Then only we can, reach in a higher place by 2030.
Ji. Sir, what has been your strategy to be a good businessman and a true quality of a businessman?
देखिए, कोई खास क्वालिटी कुछ नहीं होता, ना तो कोई प्लानिंग होती है. If you are working, whatever the subject you are working, if you know the subject, it will be easier for you. Suppose you are a student of so and so, and you are doing some herbal product or something else, then you have to know it is not like that it is a bad thing, but you have to learn the subject. So you may be आपने सुन के हंसोगे, but till today I am also in touching with the industry, development for the professional courses, whether it is from Berlin, whether it is from
keep
Singapore.
Upgrading, you keep gaining knowledge.
Exactly.
In your subject.
I never imagine or think in my life one day I can get a certificate from Howard University. So today I have completed a course 1 month back, in Howard University, leadership principles, and I was not, supposed to get the certificate very fast, but since 1 month I haven't got the certificate. So I called them last Friday. They said we have dispatched the certificate on 29th of July. So I searched in the spam. It was in the spam only. They sent again, and it was in the spam also. 1 month back I got the certificate. And the lectures are also very good. In the night, we generally from 10 to 4.
So there is one quality I have seen in most of the businessmen, which is very common, that they are very good with public relations, holding on to a team, building your PR,
exactly.
Socializing, connecting. They are very, very good. So I think that is how do you think about it?
It has to be, otherwise, by sitting any place, you cannot gather knowledge. You have to be, attend a lot of places, wherever you can gain something. You have to, understood whether I should go there or not, and for what purpose. So that we are doing for the last so many years. Maybe in our time in 1990, 80s and 90s, there was no computer, there was no mobile phones, or all these things were not there, and which we have adopted nowadays. But there are other people also senior to us. They are not able to cope up with the internet or in mobile. But today the people, class 1 student, he also knows net, and mobile he also gets from his father or mother in the house. So at least they are accustomed with the smart mobile is a chalta fitta computer. Any place you go, sit, you can do it. Sometimes I join webinar in the car also, or in going somewhere, some places from there on the mobile. So it is very advanced now. It will be more in future. These advantages when the people can get, then a lot of things can happen. Even particularly in lockdown, a lot of people have used their time in a different way. Some courses or some other somebody read a lot of books or whoever जिसको जो अच्छा लगता
सर
है वो
अगर जब आप
किया है.
किसी को जी जब आप किसी को रिक्रूट करते हैं या यू नीड पीपल टू वर्क फॉर यू व्हाट इज दैट क्वालिटी व्हिच यू आर लाइक यू लुकिंग फॉर
Simple thing, to judge whether the person is focused about his career. And the second thing, if he experience on the same line, so you can understand very fast what he has done or not, and what his views for the industry. And for newcomer, you by 15 minutes interview you cannot judge a person, but slightly whatever experience you are gaining day by day, so you can able to understand who can be fit in this position. After that, there are certain people are flourishing very high and certain people are not. So it happens in life.
जी सर आपके लिए ट्रू सक्सेस क्या है व्हाट डज सक्सेस मीन टू यू एंड आप इस सोसाइटी में क्या बदलाव लाना चाहते हैं आप जिस पोजीशन पे हैं how do you want to give back to the society or success I was reading you do a lot of charity work also you've been related with a lot of social organizations so what are your plans
basically क्या है कि every citizen has to understand only one thing. You are taking all the advantages from the country, the land, the house, all educational, institutions, hospitals, all types of benefits you are taking from against money from the country. What you are doing, for an individual, he should do, something back to the society.
जी
Some people started very early because nowadays, everything is very fast. In our time, it was not there. So we are doing today. So you have to have, pay back something to the, social. Then only the, people will also grow. There are a lot of people in India, they are not able to, go to school or a lot of other problems because of the finance. So if some big companies, some big corporates are coming up and helping them, so they can get the education. And today, if you will see, Muchi hai, matlab juta ठीक करने वाला जो है, he is also a IAS student. By helping from others, and he was working in some house. They have पढ़ाई के लिए उनको घर से निकाल दिया, but वो आदमी लाइट पोस्ट के नीचे पड़ गए. Today he is IAS. Can you think of अगर उनको वो दिया जाए, opportunity दिया जाए, so they can flourish. A lot of people can flourish. And if we see just a small example, in our 30 years back, you have only Lata Mangeshkar or Asha. Both the sisters are the main singer in the country. Today, how many singers you have? Thousands of good singers. They are also singing very well. Maybe they are not successful like Lata Mangeshkar or Asha, but they are successful on their life and they are also earning money from the same work.
From same profession, yes.
So that means, if you will give the opportunity to larger audience, larger people in the country, we are on 132 billion in 2030. We will cross 150. So such a large, people. So everybody, whoever has succeeded in life, they should, give something back to the society. That is my.
जी, बिल्कुल, बिल्कुल. सर आज की नई जनरेशन के बारे में आपके क्या थॉट्स हैं?
New generation, if you will see, it is not like that they are not good students or they cannot do good work. But the only thing is lacking very much. That is patience.
Patience.
The younger people doesn't have the patience because if you want to grow in life, whatever line, whatever industry or education, professor, school, colleges, you have to have patience and have to have get through that journey. You will also learn 1,000 things. So our new generation का सबसे बड़ा प्रॉब्लम क्या है कि जो कोर्सेज वगैरह भी जैसे आ गया है और भी कई सारे फैसिलिटीज जैसे आ गया है तो शॉर्टकट्स दे आर very few people are going the original study. There are a large number of people they are going for shortcuts. So that will be a problem.
जी
So more of
सर
them has to
आपने
be
ये
more
हमारा
of
जो
them has to be
शो है
studied in future. Facilities are there. Whenever they want, they can study.
जी सर ये जो आप ये हमारा शो है सक्सेस स्टोरीज what do you think about this initiative? And we are covering people from every field, not just
I know that it's
celebs or Bollywood,
it's a,
but we are covering a lot of people. What do you think
right.
about this initiative?
You are doing really a fabulous job, because if you will connect with the successful people all over the globe in the same one platform and share their stories, each to other people, then we will also learn a lot of things, and whoever will see see the interviews or the video, so they can also learn a lot of things. कब किसको कौन सा छोटा सा पॉइंट अपना टच कर जाए, that can change his or her
Change your
life.
life. Yes.
So you are doing a fabulous job. It is a lot of people are doing, other foreign countries are also trying to do this type of program, and definitely it is a very good program. You are basically focused from London or India, Mumbai, Delhi to start with, but doing a very good job. She is also doing a very good job.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. सर आपका एसोसिएशन ट्राइडेंट कम्युनिकेशंस के साथ कब हुआ, कैसे हुआ? हाउ डू यू नो शिव एंड
ट्राइडेंट के साथ एक्चुअली गौरव गुप्ता को आप जानते होंगे, तो गौरव गुप्ता अप्रोच्ड मी कि वी आर सिलेक्टिंग सम इंडस्ट्री पीपल, टॉप लेवल पे जो लोग है सिलेक्ट कर रहा हूँ 50-60 पीपल फ्रॉम दिस प्लेस, तो आई वांट टू रिकमेंड योर नेम टू देयर, सो आर यू इंटरेस्टेड? तो मैंने बोला ठीक है, it is a good thing, anywhere knowledge you can grow, it is always welcome. So then he asked for my photo and short profile that I have sent to him, but I think it is 2 months back, and now the profile has also changed a lot.
जी सर एक आप हमारा मैसेज, आपका एक मैसेज हमारे यंग जो बिजनेसमैन हैं, यंग एंटरप्रेन्योर्स हैं, जो बनना चाहते हैं, बिजनेस करना चाहते हैं, उनके लिए मैसेज
आपके लिए है कि whatever work they want to do, I mean as per their competence and as per their उनके जो भी प्रोफेशन में लगता है कि इस प्रोफेशन में मैं अच्छा काम कर सकता हूँ और मेरा इंटरेस्ट भी है, the only one thing they should keep in mind, maybe you can say 2 things in life. One is passion. If any work, if you will do with full passion, you will never feel if the job is so much job I cannot do, or this is a very pressurable job I cannot do. These things will come up when you are only working. But if you are working with a passion, you will not feel all these problems. Number one. Number two, in life, wherever you will be, suppose 30 years back you are in a different position, coming 30 years you will be in a different position. जहाँ पे भी आप जाइए, आपके पैर जो है वो मिट्टी पे होना चाहिए. It should be on the soil. The day arrogance comes, so your downward starts. Before the arrogance, you will continuously growing up, and the moment the arrogance will come, because of your level, then you will started declining that you should, everybody should keep it in mind, whether it's a rich man or poor man or anybody.
So sir, तो एक सक्सेस स्टोरी के भी कुछ मंत्र हैं, तो फेलियर स्टोरीज भी because of few things they happen.
Because of failure, a lot of people success, the same people succeed in future. If you see the history of Facebook or certain places, a lot of people failed in the initial life, but after that they understood and they grew up like anything.
जी, और सर कई स्टोरीज में सक्सेसफुल होने के बाद
पहले आपका क्या था कि जो भी आपका मैनेजमेंट में या कोई भी जगह पे सक्सेस स्टोरीज था, वो ओनली फॉरेनर के ऊपर था, ओनली फॉरेन कंपनीज के ऊपर था. कोई भी आप किताब पढ़ लीजिए, उसमें कोटलाट का पढ़िए या किसी का भी पढ़िए, उसमें आप देखेंगे जो एग्जाम्पल है, देयर ऑल आर फॉरेनर्स because they have achieved. But nowadays the Indian stories have started coming now. There are a lot of places, and it will grown up day by day. So it will be, it's good now what you are doing in your own country. If it is an example, people has to understand better, I think, whatever foreigner people are doing there. तो सारे आदमी का IQ तो इतना ज्यादा होता नहीं है, और सबको mass के लिए it will be beneficial.
So, what do you think about China as India's competitor in business?
Basically, today's the scenario is little bit different. Previously, people are preferring China because of the low price, faster delivery, because whatever product China made in a huge quantity. You know,
Ji.
from 1980, what is the Chinese history? From 1980, the Chinese people, they have sent their people to every country, 200 countries, and take a residence or office, stay there for 2 years, and find 2 years for India, but other places maybe 6 months, to judge in that country what are the main products that people are making and what price they are making, you know, this product. After collecting the data, they thought, you know, ki suppose in toys, any product, solar plate, how much total world demand? So in India, a person is making the solar plate in 100 rupees, suppose, hypothetically. So if China will make the same thing in China, they can deliver to India at 50 rupees. See the battery, Indian battery 20 rupees,
Yes.
Chinese battery 7 rupees. So
Ji.
since they are making such a high volume, so they can sell the product in a very low cost,
Low cost.
and they can increase their business that they have grown up. Today, if you will see 750 crores, out of 750 crores, the 300 crores is between China and India. Almost, you know, 45% of the total population of the world. So if anybody replace China, that is India. Is the only country who can replace it. But we have to work very hard because Chinese are also working very, very hard. So उसमें क्या है, basically previously situation was totally different. Now after pandemic the situation is totally different. Nobody wants to deal with China. Nobody wants to keep their factory in China. Everybody wants to go out because during this pandemic they understood what type of country China is, because previously US always the number one because of their capability. Their healthcare, their education, universities, all are in the top class because of their caliber. But what China is trying to do number one in the whole world by damaging every country economy. People are, you know, dying. The entire country is sick now, and they want to buy all the companies since the share is down. So their way of getting to the number one is not acceptable by anybody in the world. You come with your caliber, no problem.
Yes.
Tomorrow you
Yes.
can beat. But if you want to do
True.
some malpractices and, you know, this way or that way, then nobody will accept. Now all the you know, Japanese, South Korean, you know, European, American, everybody wants to withdraw their factory from China. I mean, they are requesting them folded hands, but they are saying we have already decided to go out from China. And China se bahar aake kaha jayega? There are 3 countries. One is India, another is Vietnam, and third is Bangladesh. Bangladesh will take the coverage of textiles. They are the masters. India will take a lot of products, plastics, packaging, and हजारों electronics है, बहुत सारे product, automobile है. Because, you know, one thing everybody has understood, if we will make the same product in India and selling all over the world, it is a very cheap price. Because you must be knowing Samsung is making a 60,000 pieces mobile per day in Greater Noida. But they have their factory in South Korea. But they put this factory to go to 1 lakh mobile per day, they will go after 6 months or 1 year time. So if you will produce the 1 lakh mobile here, and the production cost, the land cost, labor cost, everything put together is much, much higher profitable than the product you are making in South Korea. So that's why you must have seen all the car manufacturers, top class car manufacturers, they are all putting the factories in India. They have their big factories in their country, but now they are shifted to India and shifting and adding everywhere. Because anywhere and everywhere you will not get 132 you know, crores of people. Number
People,
one.
yes.
Right.
Yes.
Number one. Number two, if you will do the export from India, it will be cheaper. The same export you are doing from South Africa, Japan, sorry, South Korea, Japan, and European country. But if you will do the same product making in India and selling everywhere, you will get more profit. So all of everything is plus for the Indian, citizens. But only thing we have to do, what we are working day and night with the government, certain things has to be done. Then all the foreign companies and the Indian businessmen also will come forward to put up the plant. That is, easiness of the business. In India, if you want to do a business a factory, it will take minimum 6 to 9 months to get the license. But we are working with the government. It should be within 15 days. Anybody from abroad of India want to put up a plant, it should be, single window clearance through all the departments, and it should within 15 days. Like, train mein jaise hota hai Tatkal, yeah, that service has to be there. So they are working. It is not very easy because you have to make in central, then it has to go to the states also. State has to adopt that.
Lot of policy decisions.
It
Yes,
will take time, but at least the process has started now.
yes, that's good to know. G.
And lots of companies are already
So
online.
Atmanirbhar jo hai.
The moment foreign companies are putting the plant in India, automatically it is the Atmanirbhar because they are producing in India, so it is the Indian company. They will sell in India in rupees only.
Yeah.
So, ultimately that is the Atmanirbhar. Whatever you just see one thing. India never thought, to make PPE kits, ventilator or mask. Right? They are importing from China. Once they saw that China has sent a very low quality material, which is not helpful. So according to Prime Minister and the Cabinet Minister, they discussed and requested the big people like PSUs and large companies. Your material factory is stopped now for 3-4 months. You are not doing anything, but you cannot shut off your all staff. क्योंकि भारतीय उद्योग में अपना इतना लाखों लोग काम करते हैं, तो उनको तो आदमी को भगा नहीं सकते, क्योंकि कल को जब चालू हो जाएगा, where they will get the technical person. So the government of India told them, to make whatever product you can make, PPE kit, ventilator or mask. And today you will be surprised, in April, May, June, Maruti ने कोई गाड़ी नहीं बेची, but उन्होंने ventilator बनाया. PSU like Bharat Petroleum, they are making PPE kits and masks. A lot of 118 companies are making these three products. And today India is the second largest exporter of this product. जो 6 महीना पहले बनाते ही नहीं थे, और आज 6 महीने के अंदर नंबर already we have supplied 157 countries. Already we have supplied 157 countries. That's why the people are very happy. The drug also we have supplied. Maybe nobody is telling this is the drug for the product, but at least for the safer side.
Sir, अभी जो COVID vaccine, do you think अभी India will able to make it सबसे पहले?
COVID vaccine में आपको एक चीज समझना पड़ेगा. COVID vaccine में क्या है कि if the vaccine will be out from London, I mean UK or America or any other place, then it will take a larger time. But if you will make what Prime Minister is telling in every speech, by December, January we will be coming. 2 companies are working simultaneously in India. If they will make the product by December, January, you and me will get the product after 9 months. Because we have to understand certain things. जो भी कंपनी ये प्रोडक्ट बना रहा है, उनका जो मशीनरी है, वो मशीनरी बढ़ाएगा नहीं. क्यों ना? ये पैंडेमिक तो चला जाएगा, मशीनरी बढ़ा के क्या करेगा इस प्रोडक्ट के लिए? तो जो भी मशीनरी उनके पास है, उसमें वो प्रोड्यूस करेगा, तो प्रोडक्शन कम होगा. उसके बाद आपका टॉप क्लास सिटीजन जो है, प्रेसिडेंट है, प्राइम मिनिस्टर है, कैबिनेट मिनिस्टर है, ऑल स्टेट चीफ मिनिस्टर, ऑल स्टेट MLAs. Then the hospital staff, like doctors and nurses, they are the top priority because they are the hot zone. So all these people will get.
General public तक आते it will be like
8-9 महीना लगेगा. और 8-9 महीना बाद भी बहुत सारे प्रॉब्लम होंगे, जो मैं सोचता हूँ ब्लैक भी होगा, और लोग वे बोलेंगे कि हमारे पास है नहीं, बट आप 2,500 रुपया दीजिए तो आपको हम कोई जगह से दे देंगे, ला देंगे. तो ऐसे करके भी ब्लैक करेंगे लोग. तो वो तो होगा ही हमारे देश में, but it will take 8-9 months time. When the drug will be established, this is the drug for COVID, you will get after 9 months time, not before that. Because even in the product you have to manufacture, you have to transport, you have to deliver the product, distributor, then distributors will sell it to the shops, And India is such a big country. It is not an easy job, you know.
Pricing issues, everything,
पहले
lot of
आपका
things.
metro cities, then semi metros, then you know rural areas. So ऐसे करके देते देते already government of India ने plan बना के रखा है कि कैसे करना है. They have the plan.
Acha.
Yes, but it will take 9 months time.
From today, you're saying from today another. So 1 साल समझ लीजिए.
Today नहीं, from the day the drug will be
Will be made.
produced. Right. जिस दिन decide हो जाएगा, yes, this is the right drug. From that date, you will take 9 months time.
Another a year. or
पहले आप जितना एम्बेसी है, मतलब टॉप क्लास पीपल जितना भी है,
priority.
वो पहले जाएगा.
Power, money, जो भी पहले ले सकेगा, हाँ
वो तो
उसके.
है ही है, वो तो आपको मालूम ही है, वो तो होता ही है.
बिल्कुल.
So, but you know, in the coming 10 years, India will be the golden opportunity for the coming 10 years to reshuffle the country industry-wise. What the best quality production in China, they are all automatic machines. In India, we have started buying automatic machines everywhere, but it is started hardly 5 years back. All our machines are conventional, so you have to change the machine to automatic, because the conventional machine is making 1,000, 2,000 pieces of any product per day. The automatic machine will make 10,000 to 15,000 products in the same day. So the cost will be also, otherwise you will not able to compete the cost. So lot of things are there. It is not one day job कि China से industry उठ के इंडिया में आ जाएगा. ऐसा नहीं है. जो foreigner आएंगे, उनके पास तो plant है, उनको मालूम है, वो उसी plant को ही ले आएगा automatic. But जो Indian company है, because there are a lot of foreign companies, they don't want to come to India directly. They want to do some joint ventures. Whatever Indian plants are here, and they have their plants in there. So combination to grab the total Indian market, they will come invest, and once they will invest, they will put up the factory. I can give you one.
Sir, आपके हिसाब से the worst hit sector in COVID, कौन सी industry बहुत ज़्यादा, सबसे ज़्यादा जिस पे असर?
There are a lot of industries, but the most is tourism and hotel.
Tourism and hotel. Okay.
वो तो आज भी बंद है. मतलब pandemic तो अपना लॉकडाउन तो खुल गया है पूरा इंडिया में, but the hotels and the tourism, there is nobody is there, because in this situation nobody will travel. And hotel, basically what happens, 5-star hotels or 4-star hotels are covered by 70% by the foreigners. The Indian people are not going to stay in a 5-star hotel in one city to another city. So 20-30% businessmen, they will stay in a 5-star hotel. So all the big hotels can run only when the international flights will start.
जी.
So before the starting of the international flights, hotel industry. So today I'm sharing with you. I got a message from my classmate at Kathmandu. After 6 months staying there, and they are also very problematic issues in Nepal. He was in Kathmandu, so he is coming via Gorakhpur today to Delhi. From Delhi he will go to Calcutta. After 6 months, he is going back to his house. अदरवाइज रास्ता खुला होता, सब लॉकडाउन नहीं होती, तो सिलीगुड़ी से भी जा सकता था. वो बहुत मतलब जाने की, बट वो जाने नहीं देंगे, क्योंकि सिलीगुड़ी से जाएगा तो 15 days will be quarantine. So nobody wants to do quarantine में 15 दिन.
Yeah, nobody wants to be quarantined.
So he is coming to Delhi by tomorrow morning, and then tomorrow he will go to Calcutta.
जी sir.
So COVID has changed a lot of things, plus and minus both.
Thank you, sir. Sir, मेरा एक one of the last questions for you for this talk show would be एक general message हमारे सारे viewers के लिए, सारी audiences के लिए जो आप देना चाहते हैं.
यही मैं बोलना चाहता हूँ, whoever is working or studying anywhere, whoever is doing their job, do it with 100% honesty and with hard work. You will definitely success. Nobody can stop you. And 2 things you will always keep in mind. If you will respect your parents and respect your teachers throughout your life, nobody can stop you.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you for your time. Thank you, viewers. So this was Mr. Indrajit Ghosh, who gave insights about the plastic and the package industry. He said, do whatever you do it with passion and you will be successful. Gain knowledge about your subject and you will make it big in life. So thank you, my viewers, being with us today. and stay tuned for more stories.